Hey, what's up people, Martin Unix here, and welcome again to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you on how to do a plain width pattern on short dreadlocks. So guys, I want to welcome you to another informative tutorial. Alright guys, just to give a brief about the plain width pattern. It's a style which we have done there before, so you can go back on my channel and have a look on a more detailed tutorial as pertains to the plain width pattern on long dreadlocks. Today we will be dealing with short dreadlocks. So by talking of plain width pattern, guys, usually done by holding in position the warp strands and pulling through the weft strands through the warp strands. In other words, guys, what I'm trying to say is that we let the weft strands through the warp strands in an over and under sequence. That way, guys, now coming up with plain width pattern. Welcome, guys. And this is the way to go about it, guys. First, begin by separating certain strands at the crown area. Just let hem off the rest of the strands. And this is my center, guys. You need to identify your center as you begin your styling. And keep in mind that these are short locks. Guys, we promise to bring more tutorials as pertains to short dreadlocks. This way to go about it: pick this strand here from the center up to this far end and have a look, guys. See where my strand ends, that end. By using yarn, guys, reinforce and secure these warp strands. Remember, these are warp strands, guys. Just reinforce them. That's how you reinforce and secure the warp strands, by using yarn, guys. Then you're going to allow it to lay down facing the other direction. Now I'm gonna reinforce this by picking a strand from behind here. I'm gonna pick this strand here to reinforce my point of intersection. That way, I'm gonna reinforce my point of intersection. Now, by doing so, guys, we minimize the chances of this section moving to and fro by reinforcing it. Let's pick another warp strand from the left side, that way. Reinforce it here once more, that way. Pick another one. It's kind of continuous process, guys. So upon reaching this part, guys, I'm going to look away, or now I can just reinforce further by using strand from behind, that way. I'm gonna let the strand go. This is our strand from behind, which has just reinforced our point of intersection. The reason why I'm letting it go, guys, we don't want to pile strands on this point of intersection. We want to keep our point of the intersection as as thin as possible. I'm approaching the center, and I believe that I'm at the center. So I'm gonna pick another strand here and reinforce our point of intersection from behind that way, just to prevent toppling of this point of intersection. You can have a look on the number of strands which I'm dealing with here, just to minimize the volume of the point of intersection, guys. We don't allow many strands to lie on this section. So after reaching the center part, guys, now I will incorporate the webbed strands. That way, guys, I will begin with this far end. Pick this strand here, let it pass over the first strand, then under the second strand, over the third, under, over, under, then over the final. That way, guys. It's a sequence of over and under, guys. You need to note that. Then you need to know that we are not allowing lots of locks here. So you just let go lock strands if they seem to file up at the point of intersection. Remember, guys, the first strand went over, so the second strand will go under, and the sequence continues. So you go under, over, under, over, under, over, under, and over the final strand. Let's pick another strand from the website. Remember, our previous strand went under, so this one will go over. That way, that way. Have a look. We are yet to finish off, but our look is taking shape. Under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, then under the final. I'm gonna use crochet to pull inside the strands since my hairstyle is becoming a little bit tighter. So that way, guys, I'm going to the previous strand went over, so this strand will go under, then I'm gonna go over this strand here, then it will go under this, so I'll go under, over, that way, you see, under, over, under this, over, under this, over, under this, then over the final. I'm gonna secure it. Remember, guys, to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly like my work, share my work to your friends. That's how you can support my hustle. Alright, guys, upon reaching this part, as a stylist, you will find out that there are some few remaining strands. And since we have no webbed strands on this side, which can allow us to manage these few strands here, don't panic, guys. I'm gonna show you on how to go about it. So let's pick this strand here. Let it go over this strand, since this one here is going hunter, then this is going over. Let's go hunter here. This strand here is going over. Let's go hunter. Then here it's going hunter. We go over the final. That way. Finish up by picking a strand from behind, just to secure our point of intersection, as well as managing our finishing part. That way. As well, guys, I'm going to reinforce using yarn. That way. Alright, guys, after reaching this particular point, you will find out that these two strands have been left out without the warp strands. These are web strands. So now no warp strands where the web strands can go through. So that way, guys, I'm gonna chip in my creativity and do a single phase framing twist out. And this is the way to go about it. Just twist out these two strands, making a single phase framing twist out, just to enhance beauty and make our style a killer. Now at the end, guys, I'm going to do a gold cap, but guys, this is just to enhance beauty. It's wow, guys, you can have a look. So guys, I'm going to do my finishing kick by applying hinge control, just to manage a loose hair at the crown area. Remember, guys, I promised to bring more tutorials as pertains to short dreadlocks, and if you stick on my channel, that is, guys, if you stay locked, there will be more tutorials to come as pertains to that. And just to support my work, guys, kindly subscribe, like my work, comment positively, and share to your friends, so that they can impart themselves with some knowledge as pertains to styling. Alright, guys, you can have a look on how my style has come out. You can have a look. It's a nice style, guys. You can have a look on how my single phase framing twist out has come out to enhance beauty. And you can have a look on how my point of intersection is taking shape from the starting point up to the ending part. You see, guys. Now you can have a look at the back part. It's a nice style, guys, for those people with short dreadlocks. I want to challenge you guys, do this, guys. I know you can do better than this. So guys, you can go around as you have a look on how our style has finally come out. And it's wow, guys, it's amazing, it's truly amazing. It's a nice look for those people with short dreadlocks. I challenge you guys to give it a try. It's a nice look. You can have a look on my client. She has a smiling face, and I'm happy for that. I can brag for that. So now, guys, just share my work, like, comment, and stay locked for more tutorials to come.